Hey creators, want to learn how to edit videos like a pro with CapCut? Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, I've got you covered in this easy to follow tutorial. Let's jump right in. Open CapCut. If you're not sure how to install and set it up, don't worry. I've already covered that in my previous videos, so check those out to get everything ready. Once CapCut is open, click on the new project button to start fresh. On the main interface, click on import. This is where you can bring in your clips and audio files to work with. Simply select the media you want to use and CapCut will load it up for you. Drag the imported clips onto the timeline at the bottom of your screen. This is where all the editing happens. You can arrange and trim clips as needed. On the right hand corner, you'll see tons of editing options like Basic, Remove BG, Mask, and Retouch. These tools help enhance your footage and make editing even easier. By moving the cursor on the timeline, you can adjust where you want to make cuts. This gives you control over the flow of your video and lets you remove unwanted parts. On the left-hand side, you'll find tools like Trim, Cut, Left Trim, and Right Trim. These tools are perfect for making precise cuts in your clips. Select the clip you want to adjust, then head to the right corner and click on Adjustment. Here, you can click on Auto Adjust for automatic color grading, or you can manually adjust settings like brightness, contrast, and saturation for a more customized look. On the upper left side, you'll see options like Media, Audio, Text, and Stickers. Go to the Effects section to add various visual effects that will elevate the quality of your video. Choose the one that fits your style and drag it to the timeline. Right next to effects, you'll find transitions. These are crucial for smooth cuts between different video clips. CapCut offers a wide range of transitions. Just pick your favorite, drag it to your preferred spot on the timeline, and you're good to go. Also near the effects section is text. Here, you can add creative text to your video. A cool feature is auto caption, which generates captions automatically for your video. Just hit generate, and it will do the work for you. CapCut also offers tons of text templates for quick and easy text editing. Near the text section, you'll find sound. CapCut offers a huge library of sounds for background music and sound effects. Simply drag your desired sound onto the timeline to add it to your video. Don't forget about filters. You'll see this option next to captions. Filters can completely transform the look of your video. Just drag the filter you like onto the timeline to apply it to your clips. Now it's time to export your finished video. Click the export button in the right-hand corner. Here, you can give your file a name and select its save location. I recommend choosing a higher resolution for the best quality, and if you want smooth playback, select 60 FPS for a smooth cinematic look. Enable optical flow for smoother transitions. Finally, hit export and let CapCut work its magic. It might take a few moments, so sit tight while it processes. And that's it. You're now ready to edit videos like a pro with CapCut. It's an easy yet powerful tool, and with all these features, your videos will be elevated in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what feature you're most excited to try in the comments. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.